Now we're going to show how to fit the adjustable and foldable walking stick. Once you've opened it out, it's ready to go. Then simply place it on the floor and have the person who's going to be using the walking stick relaxing with their arms by their sides. What you're looking to do is make sure that the handle is in line with the crease of the wrist. And you can see here, we haven't done too badly. If you need to make an adjustment, simply press in here and slide this part of the walking stick up or down. You can see then it's higher. Give that a try. Probably feels a little bit high, doesn't it? And you're having to put a lot of pressure through your wrist. So again, pop this in, slide it up. We go back to the point where it was in line with the wrist crease. We're going to pop his hand on there, and you can see you've got a much straighter wrist. And if you go to take a step, so pop the stick out in front of you first, you've then got a straight wrist to really put that weight through as you need to. How does that feel?
Very good.
Fantastic.